What a beautiful verse. That is, indeed, we purified them with a pure thought of the abode, that abode which is called the eternal abode, the realm of eternity. Both hell and heaven are realms of eternity, with the thought of it as both fear and hope. Almighty God says, we have purified them, we made them pure. Other thoughts, those short-term thoughts, became ineffective, weakened, diminished, and almost entirely focused on this. The thought of the future extended to an infinite horizon. Now the low beams are obsolete. They've turned on the high beams, and these high beams are so bright, they've reached eternity. We can see how a person, if they open their horizon, their future, and their perspective, and if they utilize this aspect, can receive this good news from Allah the Mighty and Majestic with an infinite expectation, and how the same Allah the Mighty and Majestic can instill fear with His threat. Thus the person will shape their life respectfully according to the commands and prohibitions of the Lord. But this fear, this hope, will not arise if we do not understand the concept of hulud, which is eternity. In other words, we would be like those irresponsible children who say, I lived like this for 20 years, so what's another 40 years? If they are to die at 60, what will happen with 2 more 20s? We already get the first 20 from our father, and we can handle the remaining 20 from the inheritance. We'll figure something out. In other words, there's no need to work hard or strain yourself, as they say. Therefore, their sense of irresponsibility would also seem reasonable. But eternity is something else. Eternity is endless, never-ending, and inexhaustible.